Okay, so please let me know if I am live, audible and visible to everyone. So thank you all for joining the session, and trust me, this particular session is going to be very useful, and you will remember forever this session, and this is definitely going to help you in your exam. So please let me know if I am audible and visible to everyone. Come on. So with the, you need some energy. With that energy, we are going to continue this marathon class of 2.5 hours. We are going to cover simplification, percentage, profit and loss, average, edges, SICI, statistics, time and work, data interpretation, mensuration, time, speed and distance, permutation, combination and probability. Okay. And friends, one thing, the content has been prepared on short notice. I sincerely apologize for any errors in the question or solution. Yesterday only the date came and today we came up with one short solution. So thanks once again for all your love and support. And now we are going to start with the session. Okay. Please do share the video with your friends. Great. All cover hoga sir. Yes. All will get covered. Okay. So I will be giving you the basic concept. We will be solving mostly previous year problem. Okay. So we will be basically going to solve the previous year problem. Okay. So with the concept, so we will discuss the concept and along with that problems. So this session is going to be very interesting, I'm telling you. So please be there till 2.5 hours. Don't quit in between. Otherwise many things which you are going to miss. So there are a lot of slides are there. I don't want to go through each and every slide right now. Okay, come on. Ratio and proportion also I have missed here adding. So ratio and proportion also will be getting covered. Fine. So for each question, I will be giving you 1 minute and I will be also discussing the concept. Very good. Come on. Please hit like. Please hit like to the video. Okay, and now your question starts now. So this is the first question which you need to solve, and I am starting the online timer here. Online timer 1 minute. Online timer 1 minute. This session you are going to learn a lot. That's my promise. You will always be grateful, and I will be always grateful that this session I conducted for you all. So your time has started now. Answer. Please, I need answer. You will refresh through all the topics and all the formulas also I'm going to cover. So whatever formulas are there, that also will be covered. Don't worry about it. Question number 1, and I have not got any answer till now. Okay. So your time is up now. Let me solve it here. So 5 root 5 into 625, I did not get any answer. Into 4th root of 5 is equals to 5 to the power n plus 1 5. Then what will be the value of n? So basically they wanted to know the value of n. Okay. Now, so here you see root x is nothing but sir x to the power 1 by 2. If we have third root of x, it is x to the power 1 by 3. If we have 4th root of x, that is nothing but x to the power 1 by 4. Here we have 5 root 5. So sir, 5 root 5 will be nothing but 1 by 2. 625, 5 to the power 4. See, 5 into 5 is 25 and 25 into 25 will be 625. We all know. Into 5th root 4, 5 to the power 1 by 4 is equals to 5n plus 1 by 4. Okay. Now, friends, in sorts and indices, they say if you have a to the power 2 and a to the power 3, if base is same, then power will get added. In exam, anytime if you are getting confused with this, what you do, 2 square into 2 cube you do. Now 2a square is 4 and 2 cube is 8. That is nothing but 32, and 32 is nothing but 2 to the power 5. So if your base is same, then power will get added. It will not be multiplied. Don't remember any surds and indices formula. That is the reason you are not seeing any formula here. If you forget, always go to your root. That will help you out. Now base is same, so add each power. So 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1 by 2, 4, and 5 to the power 1 by 4 is equals to n plus 1 by 4. Now your base is same, so equate the power. So 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 4 plus 1 by 4 will be equal to n plus 1 by 4. Okay, so this 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 will get cancelled. Is there anything? Okay, now here you see, if you take LCM, LCM will be 2. So, or you keep it 1 by 4. Let's see. So keep it 1 by 4. If you don't want to divide it, okay, let it be like this. Then it will be 4. 4 plus 2 plus 16 plus 1. N plus 1 by 4. So this will be nothing but 16 plus 2, 18. 19 plus 2, 23 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. So here we have 20. So in the denominator we should get 20. Okay. So 5 to the power 1 by 2, 5 to the power 4. Okay, here 1 by 5 is there. I'm sorry. So here 1 by 5 is there. Here 1 by 5 is there. Okay. So there was a small mistake which we had done here. Okay, sorry. So a small mistake I had done here. So here it was 1 by 5. I had written 1 by 4. Now please equate the power. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 4 plus 1 by 4 will be equal to n plus 1 by 5. Now take LCM. LCM will be 4. 4 times, 2 times, 4, 4, 16 times, and then again 1 here. N plus 1 by 5. And then 16 plus 2, 18, 19, 23 by 4 is equals to n plus 1 by 5. So n will be equal to 23 by 4 minus 1 by 5. And here it will be 20. So 4 5s are 115 and minus 5 4s are. So it will be 111 by 20. 111 by 20 will be nothing but, so 20 4s are, right? So it will be 4 here, 5 4s are, minus 1 by 5. So 25s are 100 and 111 by 20. So this will be the correct answer. Now let me know if it is clear. So it's not D, it is C. It is C. It is C. See, 23 5s are, right? So 5 3s are 15, 111 minus 4, 111 by 20. So 25s are 100, 100 plus 11, 111 by 20. Option C will be the correct answer, and let me know if it is clear for everyone. Very good. So very good. This was a simple problem, but sorts and indices we had to understand. Here I had taken plus 1 by 5 by mistake. That's all. We have got the answer. Moving towards question number 2, because as we have to solve more number of question. Okay, now this is question number 2. Can you please solve it? Your time starts now. So your time starts now. Okay. Today we do not have difficult problem. Today we have simple problem with concept we will be solving. Very simple problem. Today we are not doing difficult problem. What is the answer? Simple question this is. So Satyam Pandey is telling option B. Very good. So we have got few answers in that. 4 accounts and Satyam Pandey has given the answer. Now let's see. Friends, see 43 into 18. 18 4 ja, sir, 18 4 ja 72. So 43 we can write 40 plus 3. So sir, 18 4 ja 720 and plus 54. 720 plus 54, sir, 774. This part gone. Sir, 18 6 ja 108. So this is what? So 6, 6 and 6. So this part we have solved it. This part we have solved it. Now let us come to this bracket part. Now let us come to this bracket part. So here one thing you see, that 0.6 bar. Yesterday I had told you yesterday we had uploaded one mock test. In that I had told you had to write 6 on how many digits there is a bar. Sir, one digit 6 by 9. If we have 0.67 bar, then so how will you write? Sir, 67.67, right? So here 67 divided by 2 digits bar is there, so 99. Okay, same thing. Now this part we have already solved it, right? So this part, if you'll see, already we have solved it. So 3 by 5 off. So 125%, 125 by 100 into 80%, 80 by 100 off. Okay, so this one 6 by 9 and plus 3 1 ja 3 plus 4 by 3. This I can also write 2 by 3. And this I can write 25 5 ja, 25 4 ja, 24 ja, 25 ja, 4 4 cancelled, 5 5 cancelled. Plus a square root of this part, 8 by 27 I can write 2 by 3 cube. 2 by 3 cube, and already 4 by 3 is there, into 9. That's all we have to solve. Then 3 by 5 off, right? Okay, so this particular things you have to solve. 4 plus 2 6, 6 by 3 is 2 plus. Okay, then this particular part, 3 and 3 cancelled. If you will take out from the square root, then it will become 2 by 3 to the power 4, 2 by 3 to the power 4 into 9. It is there in the square root. If it will come out, then if it is to the power 4, it will become a square and 9 will become 3. That's how it will come out from the square root. So it will become 2 square is 4 by 9 into 3. So 3 and 3 is cancelled. Correct? 3 and 3 is cancelled. So now here you see 3 by 5 into. So if you solve this, 3 2 ja 6 plus 4, 10 by 3. 3 3 cancelled. 5 2s are 10. So here you got 2 and here it was 66. So 668. Option B will become the correct answer for this particular problem. See, my dear friends, please try to understand. These are the questions which has been asked in TCS exam. If I solve simple problem, you tell me how you will qualify in the examination. And this is not a tough problem. Only some calculation is there. That is what I did. So please, I am folding my hand and requesting you, try to understand that these are the level of the problem which you will get in exam. Please bear with me, bear with the classes, and trust me, you gain the knowledge. If the question is simple, well and good. If the question is difficult, no problem. Is it clear for everyone? Please tell me. So fast we need to move. There are around 14-15 topics I'm going to teach in this particular session. Come on. So I'm removing it off and moving towards the next problem. It's a very interesting problem from the topic number system. See, all these questions has been taken from the TCS NQT examination itself. Okay. So please let me know if it is clear, and don't forget to like the session, so that tomorrow again I'm planning for one short reasoning video. One short reasoning video where almost all the topics of reasoning I will be taking. Come on. Level is medium but lengthy. Yes. Some practice is required. No problem. We will do lot of practice here. Time starts now. Pavitra Reddy is telling 45. Very good, Pavitra. Good. Sakanksha is telling 45. Super. You are able to see the question properly, right? The question is visible properly to all of you. Sir, next expected exam date क्या है? That cannot be said here. So it depends upon the TCS. We'll wait. 45 many people are telling. Another 12 second. Very good. Now here, so find the greatest number that will divide this living remainders of 15, 17 and 19 respectively. Okay. Now, so friends, if this is a question from the HCF topic, but even without using HCF you can solve. Okay. Let's see. So if I say 9 by 2, sir, what will be remainder? 2 4 ja 8, 1 will be a remainder. So if I subtract that remainder from the value, then it will be completely divisible by 2 and it will give you a remainder of 0. If they say that you divide this number and these are the remainder. So if I subtract this, then it is very, very clear we will not be getting any remainder. Let me know how many of you agrees with me. Let me know how many of you agrees with me. I also showed you how we can do it by one basic example. Friends, always work on your root. If your basic is good now, there is nothing called difficult problem. If you have practiced well now, there is nothing called lengthy problem. Okay, so it's all depends upon our effort. Now, so we have three numbers and they are telling, and then they are telling find out, and then they are telling find out the greatest number which will divide all this 3, and now we should be getting remainder as 0. Let me know if you have any doubt at any places. So for calculating HCF, we need to subtract here. So 5 and 10 minus 5 is 5. So this will be 315 and this is 0. 11 minus 3 is 8 and 7 minus 6 is 180. Okay, now you see, so here we have got these two value and we have to find out HCF now, right? So we subtracted. We have 15, 35, 45 and 55, right? Okay. Now, so here we need to find out the value which will divide. So this one I could see for 180 is nothing but 45 into 4, right? See, basically we need to start finding the factor of the smaller value. So 90 will divide this, 45 will divide this, but 90 will not divide this. So 90 cannot be the 90 anyway. 90 is not in option. So we have to choose out of this. So 180 is divisible by 45, the maximum number. Now 45 into 4. This one you check. So 45 into 7. Okay. So now we have 45 into 7 and 45 into 4. What is the maximum value? Greatest common factor is nothing but 45. So 45 will become your answer. So 45 will become your answer. Okay. Is it clear for everyone? This is not a lengthy problem, but because I wanted to explain you, that is the reason I have done all this drama. Otherwise this was not required. You could have what you could have done is, so what you could have done is you could have directly taken from here. Okay, so I don't want any remainder. If I don't want any remainder, then 330 minus 15 is 315. This is 330 and this is 810. Okay. Now, so here you see, if you subtract 315 and here you see it will be 180. I know 180 is not divisible by 90. It will be divisible by 45. Check if this number is also divisible by 45. Yes, sir. 7 times 45 will become your correct answer. See, there is, so I will take more time so that I can explain you. But in exam, you do not have to take. Okay. So in exam, you do not have to explain. Let me know if it is clear for everyone. If it is clear, do hit a like button. And now we are moving towards the next question. Okay. Okay. Sir, will this video will be uploaded in TCS course? It will be available to you, don't worry. Now percentage. So friends, we have moved to the topic percentage and I will explain you. Okay. So percentage basics and then we will try to solve the problem. See, in percentage, these are the data which you have to keep in mind. 1 by 2 is what? Sir, 1 by 2 is 50%. 1 by 3 is what? 33.33%. See, at some places if they give you, so 33669, 33.33% you find out. Now you will write 33.33 divided by 100. Instead of that, you will directly write 1 by 3 and you will be able to solve. Okay. 1 by 4 is equals to 25%. 1 by 5 is equals to 20%. 1 by 6 is equals to 16.66%. Now in exam, if they ask you 2 by 6, Are sir taught us 1 by 6. Sir did not tell us what is 2 by 6. So whatever value of 1 by 6 we have, okay, just multiply with 2. Just multiply with 2. So you will be getting, or if they give you, so if they give you suppose, so here let us multiply by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12, 1 13 and 33.332%. Now if they ask you to calculate 33669, okay, something 6 into 33.33% you take, okay, anyway you will be able to get it. 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2 only. So this one you leave. Let us see in this. 1 by 7 is equals to 14.28. Okay. So if somewhere they have given 14014 and into 14.28%. So what you will do? You can directly write, sir, it is nothing but into 1 by 7. Now suppose if they give you 77,14014 into 28.56, what you will do? Sir, 1 by 7 is 14.28. So 2 by 7 will be what? 2 by 7 will be what? Multiply 2 on both the side. So it will be 28.56. Okay. So this you should be able to understand it. And then 1 by 8 is 12.5%. 1 by 9 is 11.11%. And then 1 by 10 is 10%. 1 by 11 is 19.09. Okay. Many places, there are many places where they will tell you 16, 2 by 3%. No problem. 3 into 16, 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. 50 by 3 percentage will be equal to 100. So it will be nothing but again equal to 1 by 6. And this is what? 16.66 is nothing but 1 by 6. So everything is interrelated. You just have to recall in the examination. And that's all that will make your problem very easy. Okay, fine. Now, I wanted you to see this is, I will give the numbering. So this is your 1. So you tell me the answer for 1. Then it is 2. Then it is 3. Then it is 4. And then it is 5. 5 questions we are going to do in this single slide. So A is equals to 100 and B is equals to 180. So this is A is, I'm sorry. So this is A is what percentage less than B. So A is what percentage less than B. Okay. So as I said in the beginning, there might be some mistake. So don't worry. A is what percentage less than B. So if you will try to see here, so A is how much value less than B? Sir, A is 80 less than B. A is getting compared with whom? So A is getting compared with B. So whomever you are comparing, put that person always down. See, if I will compare with someone, I will tell I am the best, rest all are not good. It is human mentality, right? See, do you think I will come and say, I am the worst teacher and I am going to teach you aptitude? What will happen? You guys, you all will run away. Okay. So you always have to compare. So whomever you are comparing, put it down into 100 and that's all you have to solve. So 2 9 ja and 2 5 ja, 400 by 9. 400 by 9 will be nothing but. So 9 4 ja 36 and then 9 7 ja 63 and then 9 5 ja 45. So some value will be there. 44. So 36 9 4 ja 44 point something will be your answer. Clear? So 44.44. Very good. 44.44 and I hope this is clear, right? For everyone it is clear. See, these are the small concepts which you have to keep in mind, and this is basically revision classes. Now question number 1 is done, and then question number 2. Question number 2, the sum of 16% of 24.2, 16% of 24.2 and 10% of 2.42 is equals to what? So here basically you have to calculate percentage. So 24.2 into, see, both the side we have 24.2 and here 2.42. If I multiply by 10 and divide by 10, what will happen? So 16% of 24.2 plus, so 10 into 10, 100% of, okay, see here, so 1 0 1 0 cancelled, okay, and this will become, so 24 by 2 into 1%, right? 1%. Now 24 by 2 and you take common, so 16 plus 1%, so 16% plus 1% basically, so 24.2 into 17%. This is what you have to calculate and you will be getting the answer. So I'm just using the calculator here because this is, just for your practice, this is just for your understanding. So 24.2 into 17 is equals to divided by 100, so it will be 4.114. Clear? So question number 1 is done and question number 2 is done. Question number 1 is done and question number 2 is done. Yes, very good. See, there are so many people who are giving the answers. Very good here. See, trust me, this is going to be one of the best class, and many things you are refreshing, and we will be also solving the previous year problem. See, this is clear. I will erase it off, and I just wanted to show you. After this we have TCS problem, after that we have TCS problem. So don't worry, lot of problems are there, and all important topics is my priority. All important topics first I will cover. Then, so there is a small mistake which I have already corrected. Fine. What percentage of? So this creates a lot of confusion in the exam. What percentage of 2 by 7 is 1 by 35? Now this will be in numerator or this will be in denominator, or this will be in denominator or this will be in numerator. That is what is the confusion. No, there will be no confusion if your base is good, if your root is good. What percentage of 80 is 40? So what percentage? So I replaced what percentage of 80 is 40. Arey bhaiya, 40 is 50% of 80. 40 is 50% of 80. How? Sir, 40 divided by 80 into 100, sir. That's all. So here what we will be doing, 1 by 35 divided by 2 by 7 into 100, sir. So 1 by 35 into 7 by 2 into 100. So 7 5 times, and this will be nothing but 10%. This will be nothing but 10%. That's all clear. Sir, I am not able to understand with this, but do you understand with 80 and 40? Yes, sir. 40 is 50% of 80. That's what we know from the childhood. Clear? Okay. Now, next question. So, a fruit seller had some apples. He sells 40% of apple and still has 420 apple. See, 40% of apple he sold. Always, if I'll just give an example. So if I ask how much money Satyam Pandey is having. Okay, Satyam Pandey is suppose having 400 rupees. Are Satyam Pandey, give me 50% of money. What you will do? Okay, sir, I have 400, you take 50% means 200 you take. Now you see 400 rupees, what Satyam is having, that is considered at 100%. So in every question, so here they're telling a fruit seller had some apple. Okay, by 100 apple you had. Okay. So he sells 60% of the apple. So 100% of the apple he had, 60% he sold. So he will be having, sorry, 40% he sold. So 60% he will be having. 40% gone. So 60% he will be having. And that 60% is nothing but equal to 420. One line solution. Try to understand that instead of calculating first 40%, then 60%. If 40% is sold, 60% is remaining, that is equals to 420. So 1 will be equal to 7. So 100% will be equal to both side 100 you multiply, sir, 700. So for this one 700 will be the correct answer. Clear? Okay, very good. For this one 10% is the answer. Now next one is, sir, the length and the breadth of a square are increased by 40% and 30%, the area exceeds. So I had told you a formula. So whenever you see if there is a successive, see this will be used for successive increment or successive decrement or increment and decrement. So the length and breadth of a square is increased by 40%. Sir, x plus y plus xy by 100. So sir, it is 40 and plus, sir, it is 30 plus 40 into 30 by 100. Both are the increment. Both are the increment. So sir, the area will be increased by 82%. The area will be increased by 82%. Friends, very smartly, you have to choose. You are going to use this formula, or you are going to assume that suppose length is 10, suppose the breadth is 10, you can increase it and you can do it. Now let me know till here if it is clear for everyone. Now let me know till here if it is clear for everyone. Come on. So please let me know if it is clear for everyone, guys. If it is clear, then we will be moving towards the next problem. So next problem is again this one. So this you need to solve and tell me the answer. This you need to solve and then tell me the answer. Your time starts now. Please like the video, yaar. We see, you think that this whole content, no, some 45 slides are there. How much time it would have taken? So please appreciate the effort. Very good, guys. If you have any doubt, please ask. Now your question number 1. Chalo, tell me the answer. So Pavitra is telling D and Samanth is telling B. Okay, very good. Now please try to understand this question. Okay, so Ram loses 12 1 by 2 percentage. Okay, so that is nothing but, sir, 25 by 2 percentage. Percentage is nothing by 100. So 25 4 ja, so 1 by 8. Okay, fine, correct. And then what is 75%? 75% is nothing but 3 by 4. Till now I have not done anything. Bhaiya, till now I have not done anything. Okay, I just wrote this one, I broke. Okay, I mean this one I wrote in the 1 by 8 and 75% will be nothing but, sir, 75 by 100. So 25 3s are and 25 4s are. Correct? Okay. Sir, Ram loses 1 by 8. So either it will be always 100% in terms of percentage, in percentage of value it is 1. Sir, Ram loses 1 by 8. So how much he will be remaining with? Sir, he will be remaining with 7 by 8. See, Ram had 8 part. He lost 1 part. Ram loses 12 1 by 2 percentage of his money. So 1 by 8's part he lost. He is having 7 by 8. And after spending 75% of the remainder, so this is a remaining amount now. This is a remaining amount now. And after spending 75% of the remaining amount, he is left with 630. So 75%. So 3 by 4 he has spent. So how much he will be remaining with? So out of 4 part, 3 part he spent. So 1 by 4 part he will be having. And that is nothing but equal to 630. So this 790 times. So 1 part will be equal to, so beginning he had 1 part. So 1 part will be equal to 90 into 8 into 4. Sir, 90 into 8 is 720. 720 into 4, it will be nothing but 2880. 2880. So option B will become the correct answer. In a simple way, simple solution. Keep your pen लो भैया sir, 1 by 8 is lost, then how much is remaining? Array, out of 8 part 1 is lost, 7 by 8 part is still there. Now I have 7 by 8. In that 7 by 8, 75%, 3 by 4, out of 4, 3 part is spent, so 1 by 4 will be remaining. That is what equal to 630, and that is what is equals to our answer. One part in the beginning, whatever we had, we calculated. Correct? Yes. So this you could have also written directly. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5 percentage, and 12 by 5 percentage is nothing but 1 by 8. 1 by 8. So if you remember in mind, if you keep these things in mind, then your calculation will be faster. Done? Clear for everyone? So this is 224 times 212 times is 24, 24 plus 1 is 25, 25 by 2, percentage is equals to 100, so it is 1 by 8. Clear? Now I am asking you to solve this. I will give you 1 minute of time, and let me tell you the question once. So if the length of a rectangle is increased by 20% and its breadth is decreases by 20%, okay, length increased by 20% and breadth increased by decreased by 20%. Length is increased by 20%, breadth is decreased by 20%, then what is the change in the area? Okay. Option B, very good. Many of you are giving the answer. Super yaar. See, you guys are good. The only thing is you just need to practice this kind of sessions. All the concept will be revised and you will be able to do well in the exam. That's all. Simple. Time is up. 4% decrease. Very good. Super. Those who have given 4%, thoko tali. So, hey, like the video yaar. So much effort we are putting. Please like the video. Okay. So please do like the video guys quickly and keep solving the questions. Okay, fine. Now here you see, sir, I told you x plus y plus xy divided by 100. Correct? Okay. Sir, length is increased by 20% and breadth is decreased by 20%. Okay. So one is plus and one is minus. So 20 plus y is minus plus. So 20 into y is minus 20 and divided by 100. Sir, plus minus cancelled. So it will be minus 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 4. Minus 4 means in area is decreasing by 4%. So area decreases by 4%. This is a TCS problem. This is a TCS problem and one of the student has marked does not change. And what he would have got? Big O in coding, right? Good guys, good, super. Now we will be moving towards one of the data interpretation question, live session for reasoning. Today if you guys like the video and if you comment, see if you comment that you want one short live video in reasoning, then tomorrow I will take that as well. Okay, now this question. So this question, your time starts now. Chalo. This is a data interpretation problem in collaboration with percentage. In collaboration with percentage. Okay. Did not get any answers from you all. Chalo bhai, like let's see what is the problem. Okay, let's see what is the problem and how to solve this problem. So the problem is, so in 2021 the production of fertilizers, so we have A, B, C. So this is our A, so this is our A, B, C, right? So here they have given the indication. So this blue one is A, this orange one is B, and then some color is there, that is C. No problem. Now in 2022, simple question, just try to understand. In 2021 the production of fertilizer by country A, so basically they have taken one more year, 2021, and here they are telling, bhaiya, this is my A, this is my B, and this is my C. Okay, now so in 2021 what they are telling, in 2021 the production of fertilizer by country A over 2020 increased by 20%. So in 2021, okay, so whatever the value was in 2020, it is increased by 20%. That's what they said. So 300 20% will be equal to what? Sir, it will be nothing but equal to 60. So in 2021 A became, so it was 300 and now it is increased by 60, 360. What about B? Okay, and that by country B decreases by 15%. अरे भाई country B का नुकसान हो गया. If you are not watching the session till the end, नुकसान हो जाएगा. Same thing, country B का 15%, country B 15% loss. No problem. So 320, 15% you calculate. See guys, I always tell you, okay, see, instead of calculating 15% and then you will subtract 15%. 15%, if there is a loss, then how much will be the value? Now 80%, sir. So please try to solve in this way. If 15% is lost, means 15% gaya काम से, बचा कितना? 85%, sir. 85%, sir. Because 15% is a loss. So 0, 0, 2, 5 ja, 2, 17 times, and no, sorry, 5 2 times, and 5 17 times, 2 16 times. 16 into 16 is 256, and plus 16. Sir, it is nothing but 6, 6, 12. 6 plus 1, 7, 217, 72. B is, sir, 272. Till here, sir, did not have any problem. Now, problem came when they talked about C. Also, in 2021, the production of fertilizer by country C over 2020 increased by the same percentage as it is increased from 18 to 19. So 18 to 19, what is the percentage increased for C? The same percentage has been increased from bhaiya 20 to 2021. Now see, by what value it is increased? Sir, 325 minus 250. Sir, it is increased by 75. From where it increased? Sir, it is increased from 250. So can we calculate the percentage? Why not, sir? 0 and 0 cancel. 25 3s are. That means 30% had increased. And sir, here also this C is going to increase by 30%. So 350, 30% will be nothing but, sir, 105, because 35 into 3, we know 105. So how much it is increased? Sir, 350 plus 105, it is nothing but 5, 5 and 4. 455, sir. This is what you have to add. 7, 5, 7, 12 plus 6, 18, and 4 and 6, 10. 1087. Bhaiya, option B is the correct answer. Behtareen question. It was a very good question to test your percentage knowledge. If you are able to solve this, then you are good to go for the TCS exam. Okay? You are good to go for the TCS exam. I'm telling you, in the exam hall, you will definitely realize that whatever you studied till now and these classes we had covered a lot. Good. Super. I'm not getting any energy from your side, yaar. Please comment if it is clear. Please comment if you're understanding. Thoko like or thoko tali. Chalo. Chalo. Please don't delete this recording. Okay, recording might be deleted. So what you do? Please comment yaar if it is clear. Please comment if it is clear. Fast yaar, thoda energy lao yaar. Now we have moved to profit and loss. Profit and loss, there are certain things which you have to keep in mind. Okay, see, don't try to remember anything. Don't try to remember anything. Try to understand. If you understand, then things will be clear. So suppose you bought a pen in 20 rupees. You sold it for 40 rupees. अरे सर फायदा ही फायदा, फायदा ही फायदा. सर प्रॉफिट हुआ. Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Okay. Sir, this is what I have written here. Sir, I bought in 30. Sir, I sold in 10. भाग बुड़वक, नुकसान करा के आ गए तुम. Okay. So loss, here we went into loss. Loss will be cost price minus selling price. Correct? These things you are going to remember? Nahi. Sir, these things we will not remember. These things we will understand. Okay. Then I had told you from the beginning of my classes, any classes if you'll watch, I have said you, if there is any kind of increment, bhaiya, if there is any kind of increment, if there is any kind of more, if there is any kind of profit, okay, in terms of percentage, then you have to add it to 100 and divide by 100. Okay, please keep this in mind, open your mind and set it somewhere. If there is any kind of loss, if there is any kind of loss, if there is any kind of less, if there is any kind of discount, if there is any kind of decrement, subtract it from 100 and divide by 100. This if you keep in mind, whole profit and loss without formula you will solve. Now you see, selling price is what? Sir, cost price into cost price. Okay, are bhaiya I am again apologizing from my side because the content was done, you know, very quickly and some mistake I have done it, you see, in the formulas. So SP will be CP into 100 plus percentage of profit. This is the part I am bringing it here. So SPS is equals to C, Supreme Court. Sir, Supreme Court. But if there is a profit, add it to 100, divide by 100. What about in loss? Sir, Supreme Court, SC. If there is any kind of loss, then subtract from 100 and divide by 100. Sir, this part I brought it. Where I am remembering the formula, sir? No, I don't have that much of time. Very good. Now, one more formula will come. Sir, percentage of loss is equals to loss divided by CP into 100. What I am saying, so if you have percentage of loss, you write loss. If you have percentage of gain, you write gain. Now, if I ask you, if I sell this, if I ask you, if I sell this pen, how much profit I will get? Arey sir, what is the cost price? In what price you, if I say that this pen I will sell in 500, tell me the profit. Now, sir, how stupid sir you are. You tell me what is the cost price you bought. If I say that I bought in 300, then sir 200 profit. If I say if I bought in 400, then you will say sir 100 rupees profit. So percentage of loss or percentage of gain, how can you tell if there is no cost price? So cost price will come at the bottom. Don't get confused. Don't remember formula. Dimag is there in this mind, beautiful mind. We have beautiful face. We have, I don't have. You have beautiful face. You have beautiful mind. There only we are going to keep all this data. Chalo. Done? Okay. Now moving towards the next problem. Chalo. So tell me the solution of this problem. Your time starts now. Your time starts now. Okay. हाँ शांतनु, आज 800 par. Guys, please do like the video soon. Please do like the video quickly. Okay, your time is over. Now let's see. So a man bought 3 articles for 4,000 each. So 4,000 he bought, okay, each. 4,000, 4,000 and 4,000. Okay. Now he sold the articles respectively at 10%, 5%, 10% profit, 10% profit, 5% profit and 15% loss. Are bhai, so 10, 5, 15 and 15 minus 15 is 0. This question answer will be 0. But if you want me to prove, let me prove. So 10% profit, right? He sold the article at, so total he bought in 12,000, correct? 4 into 3 is 12. Now 10% is, sir, here 4,400. Okay, 5% again profit, 5% is nothing but 4,200, and here nuksan 15% loss. So 15% of 400 will be what? So 400 into 15%. Okay, so here there is a loss. So there is a loss of 600 rupees. Okay, so here it will be 3,400. Now if we add, so 4 to 6, 410, and here it will be 12,000. So always keep in mind, if you are buying an article at the same price, then you look at 10%, 5% profit and 15% loss. So 10 plus 5, 15, 15 minus 15 is 0. So you do not have to use your mind at all. Clear? So there will be no profit, there will be no loss. Very good. So you have solved this question. And now moving towards the next problem. And next problem says this one. Okay, come on. Your time has already been started. Time chala gaya. So there are multiple answers. We have 950, we have 1000. Okay, Vardhan's, I will not delete the video, bhai, don't worry. Okay, see, we don't want any student to face problem here. Say today, if I am standing here, if I am teaching, it's all because of you all. If you all will not support, there is no existence of online study for you, and there is no existence of Pratik Shrivastava. So I always bow down, and I will be always grateful to you all, because of you, see, the one, each and everyone who is watching the sessions, who is appreciating the effort. So because of you only, I am here, our team is here, and we are able to work so hard for you all. Okay, so once again, I will be always grateful to each one of you here. Okay, sir, a shopkeeper marks his goods in such a way that after allowing a discount of 22%, he gains 20%. Okay, sir, I will again repeat the same thing once again. So you went to mall to buy a shirt for sir. Arey sir, shirt price is 1,000 rupees. You said, so see, whatever the price is there on the shirt, that is nothing but tag. One tag will be there. You will see the tag, and one that will be called as tag price, or tag price is nothing but your marked price. You said Holi is there. Can you give me some discount? Shopkeeper said, okay, I will give you 10% discount. So now shopkeeper sold to you in how much money? He sold to you in 900. Okay, correct? Okay. So here a shopkeeper, okay. So we will be having marked price, we will be having selling price, and we will be having cost price. Now a shopkeeper marks his good in such way that after allowing a discount of 22%, he gains 20%. If the cost price is given 650. Now he is gaining a discount of what? So 20% discount he is gaining. 20% discount, he gains 20%. Sorry, 20% he gains. So 20% of 650, sir, it is nothing but 130 rupees. 130 rupees. So 650 plus 130 will be nothing but, sir, 780. That means he is, I will put little far. So that means he is selling at what? Sir, he is selling at 780 rupees. Now, and sir, on marked price, tag price, he is giving 22% discount. So these are the options. Now you see 1000 rupees. If you give 22% discount, how much it will come? Sir, 220 rupees, and 220 rupees is nothing but 780 rupees. So your option D will become the correct answer. Dekha, draw kiya, solve kiya, that's all. Okay, so it will not take much time. You should be able to solve it very easily. Okay, done, clear. Now let us move towards the next problem. We should not get stuck. Okay, this is a brilliant question from profit and loss, and these are the questions which you will be getting in your exam. Let us solve it quickly. Your time has started now. We will not waste much of time. Bas karo sir, ulaoge kya? I told the truth yaar. So it's, see, there are some people who will not accept the fact. They will think that no, he is, because of him you are getting selected, or because of him you are there. But that is not right. Okay, so if any teacher is teaching today, trust me, the reason behind that is the student. Okay, we are nothing without you all. Chalo. Okay, time gaya. Sir, we need a verbal ability, one short video as well. Okay, I will do something. Okay, now you are not able to see the content. I was already moved ahead, no? Okay, now you see. So here, the loss incurred by a tea dealer in selling 20 kg of tea, this is a TCS question, at the rate of 330 per kg is the same as the gain made by him. So I assume that cost price is X. Okay, fine. So here when we are selling at 330 rupees per kg, we are having a loss. So how much loss will be? Always cost price minus selling price. So this is my loss. Okay, and a tea dealer by selling 20 kg. So loss in selling 20 kg is equals to same as the gain made by him by selling. Now, so we are selling at 384 and we have a gain, so minus X. Correct? Okay. How many kg we are selling? 25 kg. 5 5 ja and 5 4 ja. 4x minus 1320 is equals to 5 4 ja 20. 241920 minus 5x. This is 9x will be equal to, add this both, 0 4 and this is 20, 932 and 32. So x will be equal to 9327 96360. So we got the cost price is 360, right? See, loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price. Cost price I assumed X. Gain is nothing but selling price minus cost price. Now, the loss at selling 20 kg. So 20 kg in the price, 20 kg in the, see, 20 kg in the loss and 25 kg to the profit is same. Then what is his gain percentage when he sell that tea at the rate of 390 per kg? We have got cost price is 360 and we have got selling price is 390. So bhaiya, there is a profit of 30 rupees. So that is what you have to calculate. Profit percentage will be profit without cost price. We cannot do anything into 100. So 1 0 1 0 cancel, 3 12 times, 4 3 times, and 4 25 times. So 25 by 3 is nothing but 8 1 by 3. 8 1 by 3 percentage. Is there any option? Option A. Tick maro or chalo aao. Tick maro or chale aao. Okay. Thoko tali if you have understood. And let me know if we can go ahead. See, I will not be able to explain. I will not be able to explain or reply to your issues. Okay. So I will not be able to reply to your problems. The reason is the classes will get disturbed. That we will see later. Now let us move towards the next problem. Okay. So now we have moved towards ratio and proportion. Now we will move towards ratio and proportion. So ratio and proportion says, so if ratio of, see one example, so if ratio of salary of A and B, see if you have any data in terms of ratio, if they are telling age of Ramesh and Suresh, age of Ramesh and Suresh is nothing but, age of Ramesh and Suresh is nothing but 2:3, then you can write Ramesh age is 2x and Suresh age is 3x. So if any data is given in terms of ratio, you can write down in terms of value just by multiplying with a variable. Just by multiplying with a variable. Clear? Okay. So if the ratio of A is to B is 2:3, then in terms of values we can write A is equals to 2x and B is equals to 3x. Now you have one question here. Can you please solve? Amit starts a business with rupees 20,000. After 6 months, Ravi joins Arun with 10,000. In what ratio should they share their profit at the end of 3 years? This is question 1, this is question 2, and please tell me the answer of question 1 and question 2. Please tell me the answer of question 1 and question 2. Chalo. Timer starts. Let's start the timer. Okay. Now let's see. So Amit starts a business. So friends, your investment into time ratio, will be always your profit ratio. See, if you invest more for more time, obviously you will be getting more profit. You invested some money, suppose 1 lakh for 1 year and 2 lakhs for 1 year. Who will get more profit? This person will get more profit. So always your investment ratio will be nothing but equal to time ratio. All TCS problem. So Amit started a business. He put 20,000 rupees. Okay. And they're asking profit at the end of 3 years. So please check this properly. Otherwise you will be getting wrong answer. 3 years means 36 months. Okay. Then Ravi joins with 10,000 rupees. Okay. Now after 6 months, see, after 6 months Ravi joins. So total 36 months. After 6 months means Ravi will be able to spend for only 30 months. See, if I join today, for 36 months I will invest. If I join after 6 months, then I will be able to spend only for 30 months. Correct? So this and this cancelled. 6 6 ja, 6 5 ja. Sir, it is 12:5 will be the correct answer. So option D is the correct answer for this particular problem. There should not be any doubt. There should not be any confusion here. Now second question, can you tell me the answer? They are telling Sam, Tom and John cover a certain distance. Distance is constant. Distance is fixed for all three. Their speed at the time was in 3:4:5. What is the respective ratio of time taken to cover the distance? Okay. So friends, distance is equals to a speed into time. So if your distance is constant, then speed will be inversely proportional to time. Okay. A speed will be inversely proportional to time, or time will be inversely proportional to a speed. So if a speed is 3:4:5, then your time will be what? Sir, your time will be 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4 is to 1 by 5. Now, if you will take the LCM, 3, 4, 5, that number which is divisible is 60. So 60 by 3, 60 by 4. You can take LCM and solve. I took LCM in mind itself. So this is 20 times, this is 15 times, and this is 12 times. So 20 is to 15 is to 12. Yes, there is an option. Option B is the correct answer for this particular problem. Clear for everyone? Please comment here. So show some energy. See, till then, you will not be interactive in the class. You will also not enjoy. I will also not enjoy. Chalo. Sir, Prep Insta had said that it has been rescheduled. See, you can check with Prep Insta. I don't have much knowledge. They might have some contact with TCS or colleges. So please check with them. As far as I don't have much knowledge. I do not have any contact with certain teams. Okay. भैया जल्दी से comment कर दो यार if it is clear, and do like. I will come up with the reasoning one short video. Promise to you. If I say something, I definitely do. Come on. So my next question, where is that? Okay, moved. So this is one very good question, behatreen question. So we say behatreen question. Okay, so very good question this is, and this is not only time and work. So here time and work and ratio and proportion. Time and ratio, collaboration with ratio and proportion. Chalo, solve karo. Good. So please solve this. Time and ratio in collaboration with ratio and proportion. Another 10 seconds, no answer. See, you will have to use your mind here, otherwise very tough. If you are not using your mind in the exam, then it will be very, very tough, my dear friends. Okay? Chalo, time is over. Now let's see. See, at many places now, you have to use your mind. So X, okay, so X working alone takes 75 days more. So if Y takes X, if Y takes T time, then X will be taking T plus 75 times. So X working alone takes 75 days, or I will put D. So if Y takes D days, then YX is taking D plus 75. X no, देखो कितना time ले रहा है. So if you'll go behind X, it will take time. Okay, so X working alone takes 75 days more than Y to do a work, and when they are working together, they can complete a work in 20 days. Okay, if a certain sum has been embarked as wages for this work, in what ratio should it get distributed among X and Y? What I have told you, always your wages, your money will be divided in efficiency ratio. If you don't remember it, keep in mind. So always your money and wages will be divided in bhaiya efficiency ratio. Okay, please remember. So now it is very, very clear that they are asking, please tell me what is the efficiency of X and Y. Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no. So always your money, your wages will be divided in efficiency ratio. Please keep this in mind. Remember it. Do whatever you want. Open your mind and put it inside. Okay, sir. It is D plus 75. So now we are going into quadratic equation. Sir, how we could have solved this question easily of TCS examination? So what I am telling, let us assume their efficiency. So I will start with the answer first so that you will be able to relate. So they are asking in what ratio X and Y efficiency. Okay, now can you tell me X will be efficient or Y will be efficient? X is taking more time, right? So X will be less efficient. So X and Y efficiency, so X efficiency is 1 and y efficiency is 4. Then x plus y efficiency is 5, right? 5. Okay, now, so what will be the total work? So x plus y taking 20 days and they are doing 5 work in a day. So total work will be nothing but, sir, 20 into 5, it is 100. It is 100. Okay, now you see 4 25 times, so y will be taking 20, right? So y efficiency is what? 25, and this guy efficiency will be what? See, 25 days this will be taking, and this guy will be taking 100 days. So this is nothing but 75 more than that. Very good, sir. That means my option B was the correct answer. That means my option B was the correct answer. Is this clear for everyone? Is this clear for everyone? Because in time and work we calculate the efficiency. I will tell you once more. If you have not understood, please try to understand once more. Okay, I know many of you have already got it. For other people, those who have not got it, see, x is taking so 75 days more. So I suppose that y is taking d days, then x will be taking d plus 75 days. They are telling, bhaiya, x plus y takes 20 days. Very good, no problem. Now what I did, I choose one option. Basically we need to calculate efficiency, so I took x efficiency is 1, y efficiency is 4. Efficiency is nothing but 1 day work. X can do 4 work in a day, y can do 1 work in a day, together they can do 5 work in a day. Now x plus y 20 days, and per day they are able to do 5 work. That means 100 work total is there. Okay, fine. Now y will take how many days to complete the work? Sir, 100 by 4, sir, 25 days, correct? Work by, see, days, Mountain Dew, days into efficiency will be work, so 25 into 4 is 100. And x efficiency is 1, total work is 100, so x will be taking 100 days. Now x is taking 75 days more than y. Correct, sir? This is my answer. If I would have taken other option, suppose 2 and 3, so I took 2 here and I took 3 here. 2 plus 3 is also 5, total work is 100. Okay, now, so 100 work and y can do 2 work in a day, so this guy will take 50 days. 100 work and 3 work in a day, so this guy will be taking 33. So here this guy, okay, so 50 and this is 33, their efficiency is more, so it will take less time. X and y, so x, I'm sorry, so your x will be here, 2 3. So I have taken ulta, so I'm sorry, I have taken ulta, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so I have taken ulta, so 2 and 3, correct? Okay, now, so this guy will be taking 33 days, and this guy will be taking how many days? This guy will be taking how many days? 50 days, correct? Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Okay, so there should be difference of 75 days, which is not there. You can take other options also, 1 5, right? So x will be 1 and this will be 5, so you can take other options also and you can solve, so you will be getting the same thing, correct? Done. Is it clear for everyone? Next problem, I will just tell you the concept and that you have to solve. So please try it out. Next question, I am just going to explain you the concept. So next problem, I am just going to explain you the concept. Let me know if it is clear for everyone. See, if you are going with LCM trick, because x is there, so we will have to take the LCM and it will give you a quadratic equation. Now, so this particular problem, I will give you the concept, okay? And that you can solve it. Let's see. So other way to solve this question. If you want, what you could have done, okay, let's see. So y is taking, suppose d days, then x will be taking d plus 75. right? And they both together, they are taking 20 days. So 1 by D plus 1 by D plus 75 will be equal to 1 by 20. Now, so D into D plus 75, and here it will be D plus 75 plus D will be equal to 1 by 20. Now, 2D plus 75 will be equal to D square plus 75 will be equal to 1 by 20. Now, cross multiplication. So, D square plus 75 will be equal to 40D plus 1500. Correct? So, D square is something is missing. Ha bhaiya, something is missing. 75D. Now 75 minus 45, 35D, and minus 1500 will be equal to 0. And then D square minus 25 into 10. So 25D minus 10D minus 1500 will be equal to 0. Correct? Okay. So here again D into D minus 25. Okay. 40D plus 35D. So here D and D. No, this value we can't take because 75 minus 40, so it should be minus 1500. So we will have to see this, we will have to break it, and after this, so from here you will have to form this equation, and then you will have to solve this quadratic equation, and then you will be able to solve this, right? Correct? Okay. So from here you'll have to proceed because it is 35, it is minus plus 35. So you cannot take 25 into 10. So this you will have to solve it, and then once you get the value of D, put the value of D, your efficiency will be, you will be able to get the efficiency. Okay. Now, so I have told you the concept that you can solve it. Okay. Yes, plus 35D, plus 35D. So you will have to solve this quadratic equation. You will have to find the fraction of 1500. And then you'll find. Okay, next problem. So let us don't waste the time much. Okay, now here, what is the sum in rupees when divided among A, B, C, D? A, B, C, D. So when divided in 2 is to 3 is to 5 is to 8. Okay, and when divided into 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, and 1 by 8. Correct? So what they are telling, what is the sum in rupees which when divided among A, B, C, D in the proportion 2 is to 3 is to 5 is to 8 provides rupees 8,420 less to D when than what it provides to him when we do it in 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 8. So it's very simple. Okay. So now here what we will do, so D, so what will be the value of D here? Sir, what is the share of D? 8 divided by total, 8, 5, 13, 8 by 18. 8 by 18 means 2 by 9, correct? See, 8, 5, 13, 13, 3, 16, 16 to 18. So out of 18, the share of D is what? Sir, 8, okay? Now here, so this we need to get in this particular particular ratio. Right now it is in fraction. So what I will do, I will take LCM. So LCM 8, 5, 43, 42 is common here. So 8 into 5 is 30, 30 into 2 is 60, and 60 will not be divisible by 8. So we will go for 120. So 120 by 2, 120 by 3, 120 by 5, and 120 by 8. So this ratio will be nothing but 60 is to 40 is to 24 is to 15. What is the D share here? Sir, the share of D is, so here you put X, okay? So you can put the in terms of X. So 15 divided by, sir, total 100 plus 39, 139. So here D share is 2 by 9, and here D share is 139, and that is what they are telling. So it is nothing but the difference is nothing but 8420. The difference is nothing but 8420, and here you need to find out the answer. So here 9 into 139. So 139 into 2 will be what? So 139 into 2 will be, so 2 9 are 18, and okay, 2 9 are 18, 278 minus, so 15 9 are 135 is equals to 8420, and then 8 minus 5 is 3, 7 minus 3 is 4, 143. 14 chok 84. Is there any calculation mistake we have done? So 15, and here it is 2 by 9, not 2 by 9, 2 4 ja and 2 9 ja, 4 by 9. So here we have 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 means, so 4 by 9 means, okay, 4 by 9, and 4 by 9 means 9 into 139. So 139 into 4, 4 9 ja 36, 3, and 13 4 ja 52 plus 3 55, 36 6 3. Okay, now minus 135 is equals to 8420, and there if you'll see 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2, 4. Okay, 421, 9 minus 139 is equals to 8420. So this will be cancelled by 20 times. So 1 will be nothing but 20 into 9 into 39, 139. So 180 into 139, and this multiplication will give you 139 into 18. So 8 9 just 72. So this will give you option D. No need to multiply. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? मोनिका कहाँ से है? अरे भाई मोनिका कहाँ से है? मोनिका तो जहाँ से है चली जाएगी, साथ में TCS भी चला जाएगा. Okay, so please let me know if it is clear for everyone. Come on guys, we have to be super energetic. We have to be, if you will lose your energy, then I will also lose my energy. Please let me know everyone if it is clear. Please let me know everyone if it is clear. Repeat again. So you can watch the video later. You can watch the video later. Sir, why we take same proportion in both ratio? See, we have not taken same proportion. We converted it. We have not taken the same proportion. We have converted it. In the question they had said, right? See, if you will go to this section, and then if you see they have, here it is 2 3 5 8. Here it is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 8. Okay, so basically it is in fraction. Now we have brought in the normal value to solve it. Correct? Method not understand. There is no method at all. See, there is no method at all. What I did, so they're asking, see, when you are dividing D ABCD in this ratio, and when you are dividing ABCD in this ratio, okay, what is happening? D is getting 8420 less. What is D share here? 8 divided by total. This is in fraction. I brought it in normal one. Then D share I calculated, both I subtracted. Okay, that's all. See, if you want, you can put this in X. So this is 2X. Okay, this is 2X, 3X, 5X, and 8X. I don't take X. So this is 8X divided by 8, 5, 13. This is nothing but 18X. So I don't take X and solve. Okay, and here we got 15X divided by 139, and that is nothing but, so okay, 139 XX will get cancelled. What we will do here, so that's what AXX will get cancelled. No need of taking X. Okay, and if you want, you put 1X here. Okay, if you want, you put 1X here. So 18 and 15X by this, and then 8420. That's all. Okay, so that is same equation. Whatever you will get, same thing I have done. Okay, done? Clear? So it is just something what we have done is basic of the ratio concept. That problem I have just used basic of the ratio concept, nothing else has been done. Now average. See, average, few concepts are there which I will discuss. Average will be equal to sum by number. So if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then average will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 3. It is 3. Average of a continuous number will be first number plus last number divided by 2. So if you have any continuous number or with same gap 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if you have to find out average of this number, so if it is continuous, okay, if it is continuous or if the gap is same, then the average will be first number plus last number and then divided by 2. So 12 by 2 will be equal to 6. Okay, so that is the same concept. Average will be equal to sum by number. Average will be also called as mean. Okay, mean median mode. So average will be also called as mean. Average of continuous number will be first number plus last number divided by 2. Average of a number with common difference will be first number plus last number divided by 2. And your average will be always between minimum and maximum number. So if I give you 4 options, okay, if I give you 4 options, average is 12, average is 13, average is 14 and average is 6. So your average will be always between minimum to maximum number. It might be equal, depends upon this thing. So only 6 is in between. So these are the concepts which you have to keep in mind. So your average will become option 4. Clear? So these are the certain concepts which you have to keep in mind. Somebody is telling sir tough question karo. Are nayan datta jo kar raha hu wo to solve kar lo. See, you are not able to give the answer for the question which I am giving and then you are telling solve tough problem. Now, so this question only you solve, Nayan. This question only you solve in 1 minute. This is simple question only. Okay, so your time starts now. Please solve question number 1 and question number 2 and tell me the answer. No, same question is there. Please solve and tell me the answer. Come on. Okay, so let me know if you are able to solve it. Chalo, so let's see, many of you have already given the answer. And now see, so the question is average weight of 20 student increases by 1.5 when a student is replaced by a new student of 80 kg. So replacement is happening, so number of students are not increasing. Now everyone average increases by 1.5. So 20 into 1.5 means total increment is 30. Okay, and the one which is coming is 80. That means the one who is left is nothing but 50. Are yaar, what was there in this question? Nothing was there in the question. The question was so simple that even everybody has solved it. Very good. Okay, now let's see. So what I said, so please try to understand. Suppose ABC weight is 20, 20 and 20, correct? Okay, now if I say new average is 21, okay, that means, okay, new average is 21, average has increased by 1. Okay, new average is 21. Now can you tell me what is the average of 21? Sir, it is 21. So if new average is 21, that means everyone age or weight has increased by 1. Agreed? See, earlier the average was 20. Now average increased by 21.5. 21. I mean average increased by 1, so it is 21. That means everybody age or weight, whatever it is, it will become 21 and everybody age or weight will increase by 1. Clear? So if the average weight is increasing, that means every one age or weight is increasing. Here they are telling the average increased by 1.5. That means, sir, every one age or weight will increase by 1. So 20 into 1.5 is nothing but 30. So the total increment is 30. So somebody came, because of that the total increment is 30. So somebody is 80 kg and total increment is 30. That means from our side 50 had left, and the one who came, who is 30 more, it is 80. Solved. Correct? Sir, I have crocked TCS digital and I am going for prime. Very good, very good. So is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? If it is clear, then the next problem. If it is clear, then the next problem, and your time starts now. All the topics what we are doing is very, very important. We have another 1 hour. Please solve it fast. Please solve it fast. Okay, so your time is up now. So in a factory, there are 12 welders. In a factory, there are 12 welders, and the mean weight of the welder is 64.5. 15 electrician, and the mean weight is 59 kg. 20 carpenters, the mean weight is 71. And 10 clerks, the mean weight is nothing but 74. So average will be, there will be only one formula for average. Sir, average will be equal to sum divided by number. Sum divided by number. Okay, now total is, sir, 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 10. Friends, all the problem whatever we are doing is TCS NQT problem only. So if you are able to solve, you should get confidence. यहाँ से आना चाहिए दिल से. नहीं sir, एग्जाम में छोड़ेंगे नहीं. जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं, तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. Till then we will not solve the question in exam. We are not going to leave. Okay. Can you tell me what will be the value? Can you tell me what will be the sum here? Can you tell me what will be the sum here? So this is 27 plus 30, 57. 27 plus 30, 57. Can you tell me what will come on the above? And people are telling 67 is the answer. Very good. Can you tell me what will come in the numerator? So 67. 67 answer hai kya bhai? Okay. Can you tell me what will be this value? So this is nothing but 2 1 ja 1420. This will be nothing but 740. 15 6 ja 900. 900 minus 15 is equals to 895. 885. 15 is less. And 12 into 64. So 12 into 60 is 720, and 720, 12 into 9 by 2. So this is nothing but 6. So 720 plus 54. So it is 774. 774. Now if we add 549, okay, 426 and 812 and 719, 1, 7, 411, 3819. 3819. Okay, 3819. So it will be 67. Clear? Done? Please comment here if you have understood. Please comment and hit the like button so that I will bring one short reasoning videos also. Come on. ठोको ताली, ठोको like. बस दबा देना है like button को. Like button को बस दबा देना है. Sir, did you prepare all problems and exam in class? इसका क्या मतलब है भाई? Okay. Next is nothing but the next problem is a easy problem, giving you 1 minute of the time. Please solve. Chalo, next. So Santanu is telling 200 more. Pakka milega aaj. Good target, 600. So chalo yaar, 600 likes we need today. Without that, I am not going to end the class. So dekh lo, it will be like, you know. Come on. The average score of a player in 43 inning is 72. In his 44th match, he scored a certain amount of runs that increased his average by 2 runs. Okay, again, so this problem I will do it by first trick, and then we will do it by, okay, first do it by normal method only. So what they're telling, the average score of a player in 43 inning is 72. Sir, average is nothing but equal to sum divided by number. Average is sir 72, and sum we have to calculate. Number is sir 43 innings, so sum will be nothing but 72 into 43. Correct? Okay. He has scored a amount of runs that increased his average by 2 runs in 44 match. So his average is now 74, and sum will be what? This value, whatever run he has scored till 43 runs, 43 innings. And in this inning, whatever run he is going to make, and total innings is nothing but 44. Now if we'll calculate, x is equal to 74 into 44 minus 72 into 43. So 4 minus 4 is 16, and 2 minus 3 is 6. So last digit will be 0. At least these two options will be eliminated. And then probably you can calculate and tell what will be the answer. Till then I will do it the trick. So in 43 innings, the average is 72. Now the average is increasing by 2. So what I said you just now, so if suppose ABC is there, okay, and if their weight is 20, now if the average is becoming 22, that means sir everyone weight will increase by 2. So sir, here the average is increased by 2. That means sir everyone age is increased by, score is increased by 2. So 86. Okay, 86. Now 44th innings he made some run, and because of that his average is 74. If the average is 74, that means everyone has made 70. In every inning he has made 74 runs. So it is nothing but 160. Here also it is 160. So however you are happy, you do that. Okay, but do that in exam. जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं, तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. Till then we will not solve. We will not leave. Clear? Clear for everyone? Chalo. Clear for everyone? Done. Super. Okay. Next question. Next is nothing but your statistics. Statistics is one of the very important topic. Sir, I said for 800, but I think we can hit 1000. Nahi, abki baar si. Keep your expectation less. 800 is fine. I am happy with 800. Okay. Chalo. Statistics. So, sir, statistics is one of the very important topic. In a statistics, there will be mean, mode, and median. Sir, mean is nothing but average. Whatever you taught, mean is nothing but average. Mode is nothing but the frequent number in a series. Okay, the frequent, you can say the frequent, most frequent. Okay, so most frequent number in series. Median is nothing but the middle value. We will discuss how to find out median, so no problem. There is a relation between mean, mode and median. The relation is mode is equals to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. You have to keep this in mind. Mode is equals to 3 into median minus 2 mean. तू बहुत mean है यार. 2 mean. So 2 mean. 3 into median minus 2 mean. That's all. Okay. So mean, mode and median. Mode will be equal to 3. Mode will be equal to 3 into median minus 2 mean. Okay, clear? Fine. Now if this is clear, we will directly start with the problem. Arey bhaiya, problem. When you will solve the problem, concept will automatically get clear. Correct? You start hitting the like, I will start solving the problem. Okay, no problem. Now, so here we have to find out mean, median and mode. All three we have to find. They are asking TCS problem again. So this is the data. You have to find the value of 3a minus 2b plus c. So now the first thing we will see how we can calculate the mean. So mean will be nothing but, sir, mean will be, here I will write, sir, mean will be nothing but equal to, mean is average. Okay. So add everything, 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4. How many are total? Sir, 3 and 5, 8. Now 10 and this is also 10 plus 10, 20 and 20 and 11, 5 plus 4, 9, 11, 20. So sir, 40 by 8. Sir, mean is 5. Chalo bhaiya. Sir, mean we got 5. Mode I said the most frequent number. So you see 4 is the number which is most frequent. Statistics is one of the very important topic for your TCS examination. Okay, very important topic. You will get 1 to 2 question, okay, from statistics. Sometimes you might get 3 questions also. So mode will be nothing but, sir, 4 is repeated multiple times. Now about median I will tell you. So median, if you have to calculate, suppose if I have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Total number is 5, odd. So total number is 5, which is odd. Then your median, your middle value, you will be having only one middle value, 6. Now if you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. How many middle value you have? 2. So your median will be 2 middle value by 2. So it will be 14 by 2, it will be 7. One more thing, whenever you are calculating median, you have to arrange this in ascending order. Like here we have 4, 6, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 4. So let's arrange them in ascending order. So it is 2, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total is nothing but 8. So we have even number. We have 2 middle value. So my median will become 4 plus 5 by 2. It is nothing but 9 by 2, 4.5. So my median is nothing but 4.5. Now they are asking 3a. Bhaiya, 3 into 5, 2b. 2 into b is what here? B is mode. And plus c is what? 4.5. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Okay, 4. Okay. 15 minus 8 plus 4.5. 19.5 minus 8, 11.5. 11.5. Option A will become the correct answer. And that's how you have to solve this. Okay. 11.5. Very good. See, most of you have given the answer. I am telling you, no, if you have watched my all videos, attending the classes, blindly go to exam. Okay. So calm yourself, go to exam and use the concept, whatever I have taught you, you will do well. I'm telling you, please have a trust on me, because I will not teach you something which is irrelevant to TCS examination. And if that is the case, lot of people will not get associated with us, lot of results will not come. So have a trust. Okay, and definitely we will do wonder in exam. You guys are very good, I'm telling you. You just needed some practice, some concept revision, which we are doing it now. Chalo. Arey sir, what is this, sir? Standard deviation. Okay, variance and standard deviation. So variance and standard deviation is two terms which we will be able to understand in this particular problem. Sir, variance and standard deviation and standard deviation. Okay, these are the two things which we need to calculate it. So variance is nothing but this middle, this inside the square root is our variance, and if you take a square root of this, that will be nothing but your standard deviation. Let me change the battery. The battery might have drained out, so just a minute. Questions will not repeat in TCS, okay? Concept will repeat. Question never repeat in TCS. So I will not lie with you guys. That's all. Now here, I hope you are able to voice jara na? Able to hear, right? Let me see in my mic. Let me see. Okay, voice might be going. So the following tables gives the rainfall on 6 days at random during a summer month. What is the standard deviation in mm nearest to 2 decimals? Okay. So friends, here we have the date. Date is not required. Rainfall. Okay. So rainfall is nothing but 38, 39. Okay. And then 34, 40 and 35 and 36. Okay. So this is nothing but your mean. So basically first we have to calculate the mean. How we will calculate the mean? We will add everything and then we will divide by the number. Can you tell me what will be the mean? Can you tell me what will be the, if you divide it, can you please tell me what will be the value? Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So tell me what will be the value here. Okay. Quickly. So this is here 38 plus 39 plus 34 plus 40 plus 35 plus 36 is equals to divided by 6. So it is 37. Okay, now. So friends, this is my x and my x bar is nothing but here. This is my mean. So my x bar is nothing but 37. Okay, 37. Now here what they are telling. So xi minus. So x minus x bar square. So anyway, if there is a negative value, you have to ignore. So my mean is nothing but 37, 37, 37, 37. So here 1 square is 1. Okay. 39 minus 7, 2 square is 4. 34 minus 7, 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1. So 1 plus 4, 9, 5. 5 and 18, 23. 23 plus 4 is 27, 28. So this is 28. Okay, now. So this is a formula for a standard deviation. So this we have got as 28 and divided by 6. So 28 by 6, 2 3s are and 2 14 ja. So 3 4 ja 12, 3 6 ja and 3 like this. Okay, now. Friends, we know a square root of 5 is equals to 2.23. So this is nothing but it will be very much equivalent. So you see any option which is near to that. So this is 2.16. See, 2.25 cannot be the answer. 1.92 cannot be the answer. So out of these two, we have to see which is little near to that, and that will become your answer. Clear for everyone? So this is a standard deviation question and which we have solved it easily. And this is again, see, all TCS problem here, all TCS problem. So you do not have to worry at all. Is it clear for everyone? Shortcut. There is no shortcut for statistics. What did you hear? What did you hear? There is no shortcut for statistics. Whatever videos you want to watch, you watch on all YouTube. There are some topics which nothing can be done. Okay. So Okay, this is one tricky problem. So this is one little tricky problem. Calculator will be required. So they're asking, what is the product of mean deviation? See, about the mean. So meaning of mean deviation means, okay, so your mean is, okay, how much deviated from the given value, So first calculate mean, okay, So mean will be what? 345 plus 256, 256 plus 312 plus 298 plus, can you tell me what will be the mean? 298 plus 425 plus 250 plus 270 plus 316 plus 326 plus 312, and now divided by, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 divided by 10. Can you tell me what will be the value here quickly? Sir, 3 4, I'm using calculator guys, okay? So 245 plus 312 plus 298, because in exam if you have calculator you have to use it, otherwise it's like we are a fool. Plus 316 plus 326 plus 312, so it is 311 we got. Okay, now mean deviation. So here we have 311. Now we have to see how much we are deviated. So from first value, what is the deviation? 5 minus 1 is 4. So I will write 311 everywhere. 311. So we'll see what is the deviation. So here only we will see. So the deviation is nothing but, now you see the deviation is nothing but 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Here the deviation is 6 minus 45. Here the deviation is 1. Here the deviation is what? 13. So 1 minus 8 is 3. Oh, sorry. So this is 11 minus 6 is 5 and 10 minus 5 is 5. Correct? Sir, here deviation is 1. Here 11 minus 8 is 3 and 10 minus 9 is 1, 13 plus. Here the deviation is 5 minus 1 is 4, 1, 1. Here the deviation is, sir, it is 61. Okay. Here the deviation is, sir, it is 41. Here the deviation is 5. Here the deviation is 15 and here the deviation is 1. Okay, now this deviation we have got and we have to calculate it. So this is what is deviation. Okay, so 34 plus 55 plus 1 plus 13 plus 114 plus 61 plus 41 plus 5 plus 15 plus 1. So 340. Are you getting 340? Wait. So are you getting 340? 13 plus 114. So here we are getting the deviation, the total deviation is 340. Okay. And then they're asking mode. So mode is what? So 340 divided by 10. Sorry, it will be, oh, by mistake I erased this 10. So by mistake I erased this 10, 34. Now they're asking, so your mean deviation and then mode. So mode is what is repeated maximum number of times? 312. 312. So if you multiply, so 34 into 312, 10608. 10608. So here the answer will be option B. Option B will be the correct answer. And definitely this is a problem which is problematic, but this is asked in TCS. You cannot say, sir, this question will not come in TCS, because whatever questions I am doing today in the class, all these questions has been asked in the TCS examination. So, bhaiya, options to nahi hai. Okay. See, you just understand it. In exam, there might be simple question asked. Let me know if it is clear for everyone. Come on, fast. Toko tali. Thoko like and tell me if it is clear or not. So Thoko tali and Thoko like and tell me if it is clear or not. Now we are moving towards the different topic, and the topic is ages. Chalo, guess my age. Guess my age. Guess my age. You guys, see, I am continuously speaking from 2 hours, but you guys seems to be very dull. Guess my age, guess my age, guess my age. Okay. Now, so here in the ages problem, sir, concept on ages. If the present age of a person is X years old, then after 5 years his age will be X plus 5. 5 years ago his age will be X minus 5. If A age after 2 years will be twice the age of B. So after 2 years A will be A plus 2, and after 2 years B will be B plus 2, and A is equals to 2 times of B plus 2. If the ratio of ages is 2:3, then in terms of value we can write 2x years and 3x years. Okay, now here you have question number 1. So please solve this question number 1. Your time starts now. Sir, 5595. Fuck budwak. 5595. I am just 1 year elder than you. Okay, chalo. 3220. Arey? Oh, I think 20. Oh, sorry. I'm in front of the question. Chalo. Okay, come on. Okay, chalo, super. Holi khele Raghuvira Avadh mein. See, because of Holi, your exams and all will not postpone here. See, we'll see like if it is getting postponed, but you prepare. If it is postponed, good. If it is not getting postponed, then also good. What is there in that? At present, A is younger than B by 8 years. So if A age is X, then B age will be X plus 8. See, A is younger than B by 8 years. That means B is elder than A by 8 years. Correct? Understood, right? Okay. If 4 years ago means 4 years ago, 4 years piche, sir, X minus 4. 4 years piche, sir, X plus 8 minus 4. Very good. 4 years ago, their ages were in the ratio of 1:2. So the ratio was, sir, X minus 4 divided by X plus 4, and it was 1/2. So 2x minus 8 will be equal to X plus 4. So X will be equal to 12. Okay, sir. So 12. Nahi. This is what mistake you will be doing in exam. So what is the present age of B in years? What is the present age of B? So B will be X plus 8. So 12 plus 8, sir, it is 20. So you have to mark 20 as your answer, not 10. Not 10. Sir, I like 2 times. अरे शोभा शंकर, एक बार और लाइक करो, 3 बार करो. एक बार लाइक करके दूसरा बार करोगे, अनलाइक हो जाएगा. एक बार और करो. बुड़बक, जल्दी करो. नोबिता वेट्स सिजुका. वेरी गुड यार. नोबिता सिजुका. चलो. Feels good when. Okay. Sir, this is a TCS problem, and TCS problem will always trouble, sir. TCS. एक बार once you clear TCS now, then TCS की एग्जाम की माँ को प्रणाम. Okay. चलो. Good. Tell me the answer in 1 minute. सर आप महान हो. Okay. थैंक्स फॉर द वीडियोस, थैंक यू। माँ को प्रणाम। हाँ, सब everyone will do better in TCS, but please like the video. If you are not liking this video now, then TCS exam अच्छा जाएगा। if you like TCS exam will be good. Okay, time is over. After the time is over and I have not got any solution. Okay, 45 is the correct answer. 5 years ago, so Rahul age is R. Okay, and Rahul has 3 sons, sum of 3 children. Rahul has 3 children. हम दो, हमारे दो नहीं, Rahul has 3 children. Hard working, very hard working. Okay, Rahul age is R and their children's, okay, so suppose their age is S1 plus S2 plus S3, so all 3 children age is X. Rahul is hard working, we have to be hard working like Rahul. Okay, so 5 years ago, that means Rahul R minus 5. Very good, sir. 5 years ago, Rahul age was 5 years less than 3 times. Okay, so 3 times the sum of the ages. So sum of the ages is, we have assumed X. 5 years ago means X minus 5. Okay, Rahul was 3 times. So Rahul age was 5 years less than 3 times of sum of their 3 children. Very good. Okay, who is Rahul here? कौन है राहुल यहाँ पे? राहुल. Okay, minus 15 minus 5. अरे minus 5 and minus 5, अरे sir, gone. So R will be equal to 3x minus 15. एक equation, this is one of our equation. Okay, then after 5 years, now Rahul after 5 years, his age will be 5 years more than sum of, so sum is nothing but x plus 5, and it will be, his age will become 5 years more than the sum of the ages of his children. Then what is the percentage? Sir, 5 and 5 cancelled, R is equals to x plus 5, and here R is equals to 3x minus 5. So as x plus 5 is equals to 3x minus 5, sir. 3x minus x, and x is 10. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Some गड़बड़ has happened. So this is 2x is 10, so x is nothing but equal to 5. Then they are asking present age of Rahul. So present age of Rahul, so 3 into 5, it will become 0. Some mistake has happened. Okay, some mistake has happened, let me check. 5 years ago, so R minus 5 is equals to, okay, 5 years less than 3 times the sum of the ages of his children. Okay, so R minus 5 is equals to 3x minus 15 minus 5 cancel, R is equals to 3x minus 15. Okay, after 5 years, Rahul age will become 5 years more than, okay, 5 cancel, x is equals to 5. So what is a mistake? Not 5, sir. 3x minus 15. 3. Okay. 3x minus 15. Okay. Sorry. So here I have written 3x minus 15. So this is one small mistake. Okay. So x plus 5 will be equal to 3x minus 15. Thank you, guys. 2x is equals to 20. So x will be equal to 10. Now put then what is the, now also there is some mistake. What is the present age of Rahul? So when we will put x value, okay. So I got what is the mistake. Actually, so there are 3 children are there. Okay, So here there is 3 children are there. I have considered only 1 children. Okay, so it is, I'll have to do it from beginning. Okay, I'll have to do it from beginning. So there is one small mistake I have done. Okay, so Rahul age is R. So 5 years ago Rahul age, okay, is equals to. Now here son is children is S1, S2 and S3. Okay, now so Rahul age was 5 years less than 3 times. So 3 times here we have assumed X. Okay, now friends, if you'll try to see, so here we will be having, see Rahul age 5 years ago, so R minus 5. Here everyone age 5, right? So basically we will write S1 minus 5, okay, plus S1 minus 5 plus S2, S3 minus 5. So everyone age we need to cover. So basically here it will be X minus 15. X is a sum and everyone, and then minus 5. So this was the mistake. So R will be equal to 3X minus 45. Okay, I'm really sorry for the mistake. I was thinking about the productivity of Rahul and there I did a mistake. Okay, now what they're telling, after 5 years, so after 5 years Rahul age is equals to become 5 years more than the sum of the ages. Now everyone, see, after 5 years everyone age will be increased by 5, correct? So here x plus 15 and then plus 5. So 5 and 5 cancelled, R will be equal to X plus 15. Okay, so here 3X minus 45 will be equal to X plus 15. So 2X will be equal to 60. So X will be 30. And here you will see, so in any equation you put, so R will be equal to 30 plus 15, which is nothing but 45. I'm really sorry for the mistake. So what I did is, because see there are S1, S2, S3, so they will be going back. Okay, अरे सायन शर्मा सर को ही 5 मिनट प्लस लग गए. सी सर इज टीचिंग यू यार. सी माई कंसंट्रेशन इज in the classes, my concentration is in your chat, my concentration is in your question. So sir ko isliye time lag raha hai because see when you are writing the exam you will be just solving the question, but sir is doing multiple things, right? I'm seeing your chat so that I can reply, I'm seeing the questions, I'm taking rest, lot of things I'm doing. So this question will take, see this question will hardly take 1 minute. Okay, these questions will hardly take 1 minute. What you will do, so here you will write R plus, see R minus 5, 3 children are there, right? So 3 into X minus 15 minus 5. This is your one equation. There is only 2 equations is there. After 5 years R plus 5, okay, his age will be 5 years more. So X plus how many? 15 and plus 5. Now this, equate this and equate this. You will be getting the answer. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear for everyone? Thank you, Sayam Sharma, for understanding. Okay. Chalo. Is it clear? Is it clear? Are 15th March exam is getting postponed or not? I don't know, and I don't want to comment. No comments on that. Okay, no comment on it. Now friends, come simple and compound interest. This is a very important topic. Please try to understand simple and compound interest. So simple interest is simple. Even the problems will be simple in simple interest. In compound interest, what will happen? So in compound interest, definitely you have to find interest on interest. Okay, so that is the reason compound interest. Okay, love you sir, thank you, bye, thank you all. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so here simple interest. Now suppose you deposited 1000 rupees in the bank. Okay, now we are talking about simple interest. On simple interest, if they are giving you 10% interest, so after 1 year you will be getting 100 rupees interest. Then again 1000 rupees. Second year, so this is my first year, this is my second year, 10% interest means 100. Again in third year 1000 and 10% interest means 100 rupees. So in simple interest, every year your interest will be same. In simple interest, every year your interest will be same. But in case of compound interest, if you have 1000 rupees, 10% interest, after 1 year you will get interest as 100. Okay. But for the next year, your investment will be 1000 plus 100. 1000 plus 100. This 10% you will calculate 110. Again next year your investment will be 100, so 1100 plus 110. So your, so it will be 1210, 10%. So it will be 121. So total 331. Total 331. So in case of simple interest, your interest was 300. In case of compound interest for 3 years, your interest was 331. So because compound interest, we start calculating interest over interest. Chakravriti Byaj. Okay. So that is the reason here 331 and here it is 300. Clear? Okay. And simple interest and compound interest for 1 year, will be always equal. Will be always equal. Keep that thing in mind. Simple interest for 1 year and compound interest for 1 year will be always equal. Okay, fine. And one more concept I will tell you. So formula basically. So simple interest, okay. So compound interest and minus simple interest. Okay. For 2 years, if you take the difference, PR square divided by 100 R square. 100 square. Okay. I think this is the only formula. Even I am missing a little bit, but I hope it should be fine. And for 3 years, it will be PR square into 300 plus R and divided by 100 cube. Keep this in mind because there was a direct question in TCS asked from this concept many times. So in many times in TCS, direct question was asked from this particular formulas. So compound interest and simple interest for 3 years. This is the formula. Compound interest and simple interest difference for 2 years. This is the formula. Okay. Okay, fine. Now let us start solving the problem. So the first question is, in what time does a sum of money becomes triple on simple interest? So friends, in simple interest, what they are telling, suppose if you are investing 100 rupees, okay, it is becoming 300 rupees. How it will become 300 rupees? Sir, Mansion House PK magic ho gaya. No. Okay? No, that will not happen. How it happened? Sir, interest. So 200 rupees is the interest and this is your principal. Your money will only increase when you will put on investment and when you will be getting interest. Now your principal is 100. Sir, simple interest is 200. Time is given, sir. Time is given, sir, 10%. Use a formula. Simple interest will be equal to, sir, PRT by 100. PRT by 100. Sir, simple interest is 200. Your principal is 100, sir. Your rate we have to calculate. Time is, sir, 10, sir, divided by 100. 100 and 100 will cancel. 10, this is. Rate will be equal to 20%, sir. Rate will be equal to 20. Sorry. What we had to calculate? Rate is given. And we had to calculate the time. Okay, rate is given and we have to calculate the time. So time is nothing but 20 years. 20 years. Clear for everyone? Time is nothing but 20 years. So option A will become the correct answer. Very good. Sir, honey bee pk kitna hoga? Honey bee pk bhi utna hi hoga. Okay, clear? Done. Now moving towards next problem. Next problem. Okay. So here the question is, what sum of money at compound interest will amount to 6930 in 3 years if the rate of interest is 5% for first year, 10% for second year and 20% for the third year. Santanu, sir, you are teaching from 2:15. Yeah, 2 hours 15 minutes, so we'll stop after 15 minutes. Okay, thank you for your concern here. Sir, level whatever we are doing, it's of a standard level. Some more difficult problem which we have done earlier might be there. Okay, good. Now what sum of money at compound interest will amount 6930 in 3 years if the rate of interest is 5% for the first year? Suppose you are investing X rupees. Okay, first year the interest is nothing but 5%. So I had told you, if there is any profit, if there is any increment, if there is any kind of more in terms of percentage, add it to 100 first year and divide by 100. Now this we are going to invest for the next year. Next year it is 10%, add it to 100, divide by 100. Again next year it is 120, add it to 100, divide by 100. So X rupees we invested, first year 5% interest, second year 10% interest, third year 20% interest, and then we are getting 6930. Correct? So sir, 1010 cancelled, 1010 cancelled, 639, 9 minus 9. So sir, it is 63. Done. Okay, fine. Then sir, this is 630 basically. Then sir, 156 times, it is 630. Okay, fine. Then X into 12 and 6 into 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So X will be equal to 12 5 ja, so 5,000. So we invested 5,000 and that's how this is the answer. Okay, clear? Are bhai thoko like yaar, please do like. So like the video guys, come on. Okay, होली है भाई, होली है. Okay, now this is a very good question. Okay, so this is a very good question. I'll give you 1 minute time so that you solve and try by yourself. Chalo, your time started now. Bharti, Madam Bharti, if you don't know basic then you will feel that this is these methods are tough. Nahi, these methods are the easy method. Okay, chalo, 1 minute is over. Let's see. Same pattern will be there in exam. Why you are worried? बेसिक नहीं है तो फिर क्रैश कोर्स ले लो यार. बेसिक नहीं है तो क्रैश कोर्स ले लो. TCS NQT crash course, one and the only way to get into TCS. Okay, a certain sum amounts to rupees 16,000. Amount is given 16590. Time is given 9 by 2 years. Rate is given 8.5%. 8.5% means 8.5 by 100. We can also write this 85 by 1000, and we can also write by 17 by 200. Here I will write, so 17 by 200. Okay, fine. Amount will be equal to principal plus SI. Okay, first we have to calculate on simple interest. Okay sir, amount is 16590. Principal plus PRT by 100. Correct sir? Okay. So 16590, principal you take common, 1 plus R is nothing but 17 by 200. Okay, so basically I should not write like this. One minute, you will be getting confused. So 8.5 time is nothing but 9 by 2, and here 2 zeros are there. 9 by 2, correct? Okay. Now 16590 is equals to P into, so here you bring one more 0, so 570 times and 5 8.5 by 1000 into 9 by 2, so 540 2400. Okay, now so 400 plus 153 and divided by 400, so 16590 into 400 divided by 553 is equals to P. Can you tell me what will be the value of P? So 16 4 ja 64. It looks like, and this is 3 times, so it will be 12,000. So principal is nothing but 12,000. Now your principal is nothing but 12,000. I don't know if you're able to see. Principal is 12,000. Okay, and then they are telling the same amounts to INR X in 2 years at 15% per annum when the interest is compounded half yearly. So this is the twist. Interest, and this is a TCS question. Okay, this is, see, whatever question we are doing today, 90% of the question has been asked in TCS. So there is no doubt, there is no query that, you know, exam this kind of questions will not come. Correct? Okay, so principal is equal to this rate. So rate is 15% per annum. That means for 12 month the rate is 15%. So for 1 month it will be 15 by 12. So for 8 months it will be 15 by 12 into 8. So 4 3s are and 4 2s are and 3 5s are. So sir, rate is nothing but 10%. Time, sir, here time is 2 years. Time is 2 years. Okay, but 2 years is 24 months. But your interest is compounded every 8 monthly. So 24 months by 8, that means it will become 3 years. Now this is what compound interest, we have to find it out. Okay, so compound interest will be equal to P into 1 plus 10 by 100 and to the power 3. So 1010 cancel, 12,000 into 11 by 10. So 11 cube will be 1331 and then this will be 30. 3030 cancelled. So 1331 into 12. So 1331 into 12. So 2662 1331. So it will be 27951 15792 15972. So option D will become the correct answer. A very good question. A very good question. Okay. Chalo, done? Done? Clear for everyone? Okay. So rate is 15%. Rate is 15% for 1 year. They are telling it is compounded 8 monthly. 8 monthly means we will have to calculate. See, one very simple thing I want to tell you. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, okay, that means bank is telling, Bhaiya, you come after 1 year, I will give you 10%. Now, you started using your mind. I will go every 6 months. Every 6 months, 6 monthly interest I will take. So I will get 10% and 10%. So 10% and 10%, that is 20%. Bank, do you think I am fool? I am bank. So see, I am bank, my lunch time is 12 PM. That is fine. My server will be always busy. That is fine. But interest I will calculate properly. So bank divided by 2. Come after 6 months, I will give you 5% only. Same thing. So 1 year 15%. But 8 month, why it will reduce, right? Clear? Okay. Jabardast. See, many people have already solved. You guys are very good here, and I'm telling you, you guys will do good in exam. There will be simple question will be also there. There will be difficult question. Select the simple question, do it, and then come from the exam. Trust me, I have lot of confidence in you. That much of confidence I don't have in myself, but I have confidence in you. You just TCS की माँ को प्रणाम करो. Just go for the exam. You will definitely do better, and you have to have confidence on yourself. If you don't have confidence on yourself, how I will have confidence in you? So whatever you know, that is more than sufficient. Whatever you have studied, whatever you are studying, that is more than sufficient. And I know you all will give the results. Okay, see, there is something called luck. If there is something bad luck, that is a different thing. Otherwise, nobody can stop you. I'm telling you, nobody can stop you, and you are going to do wonder in the exam. Please trust my words, trust my sentences. Okay? Arey, how many they will hire and all here? Why time waste you are doing? Time waste na karo, sir. Arey Dhruv Mahajan. Time waste na karo. Time को utilize करना है तो crash course ले लो. See, if you really want to utilize the time, then why you are watching on YouTube? Take the crash course now. Chalo. Time and work. Okay, now here, A can do a piece of work in 4 hours. Time okay. Now A can do a piece of work in 4 hours. B and C together can do it in 3 hours, while A and C together can do it in 2 hours. How long will B alone take to do this? Okay, come on. I am your big fan, sir. Thank you. Sankara. Sakanksha, सबको होली की बधाई. तुमको भी होली की बधाई. भांग पियो और होली सेलिब्रेट करो. Okay. A can do a piece of work in 4 years. Very good. A is very good person. He can do the work in 4 years, 4 hours. B plus C can do it in 3 hours, and A plus C can do it in 2 hours. Okay. Now, friends, the main thing is time and work, no? Efficiency. If we get to know the efficiency, then the problem is solved then and there. You do not have to use much of your mind. For efficiency, what we do? Sir, LCM, we take LCM, or we will assume a number which is divisible by all, which is nothing but 12. So 12 will become our work. Sir, A 12 by 4. See, A 12 by 4, sir. A efficiency is 3. Now I came to know A can do 3 work in a day. Sir, B plus C. 12 by 3, sir, 4. B can do 4 work in a day. A plus C. 12 by 2, 6 work. So A plus C can do 6 work in a day. Correct? They are asking how long will. Okay. So, okay. They're telling while A and C together can do it in 2 hours. How long will B alone take to do the work? What is the efficiency of B? What is the efficiency of B? This is a question we have to ask. So, what I will do, I will add this both. So, A plus B plus C. So, A efficiency is 3. B plus C efficiency is 4. Don't add these two. This is hours. Understand the difference between hour and efficiency. And then A plus C efficiency is 6. Okay. So AC, see, this is AC, okay, cancelled. B will be equal to 1. That means B can do 1 work in a day. Now 12 work is there, so B will take 12 hours. That's all. Khatam, tata, bye bye. Khatam, tata, bye bye. Okay, clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? वेरी गुड. अरे यार, यू गाइस हैव सॉल्व्ड बिफोर मी ओनली. सर कितने दिन बाद रिजल्ट आता है? एग्जाम ही मत दो, रिजल्ट का टेंशन खत्म. डोंट राइट एग्जाम, टेंशन ऑफ रिजल्ट इज गॉन. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फास्ट फास्ट, आई हैव अनदर 15 मिनट्स. सर आप कुछ समझाते तो हो नहीं ढंग से, मेरा वक्त बर्बाद कर दिया आपने. फ्लपी, अरे भाई वक्त का यूटिलाइज करो, जल्दी से छोड़ दो और जाओ उसको यूटिलाइज करो. ओके, सी दिस classes we are not doing from basic. A is equals to 10, B is equals to 20, so A plus B is 30. No, that we are not doing it. For that, before 2 days of TCS exam, who is this person? So that person is Fluffy. Before 2 days of TCS exam, he wanted me to explain the basics, which is you don't write the exam only. Okay, so please take my suggestion. Okay, my blessings are there with everyone. See, you all are very equal to me. Okay, now let's see. So A and B can complete a work in 12 days and 18 days respectively. Okay, no problem. Let us take the LCM. See, in time and work, no, efficiency is the main thing. So always take the LCM. Okay, always take the LCM. So LCM is nothing but 36. This became our work. So this is 3 times and this is 2 times. This is my efficiency. A can do 3 work in a day and B can do 2 work in a day. Okay, okay, clear? Okay, now next, if you will see, they work together for 4 days, after which, so A can do 3 work in a day, B can do 2 work in a day. Now they worked for 4 days. In 4 days, how much work they will complete? Sir, 20 work. A can do 3 work in a day, day, and B can do 2 work in a day. So they worked for 4 days. 4 days they completed 20 work. 16 work is remaining. Clear? Till here clear? Okay. Now what has been told? After which B was replaced by C. So now B was replaced by C. So B is Khadam. Tata bye bye. C. Now C came in picture. Total work pending is 16. So after which B was replaced by C and the remaining work was completed by A and C in next 4 days. So now A and C worked for 4 days and completed the remaining 16 work. B is replaced by C. A efficiency we know, C efficiency we don't know. Into 4 is equals to 16. So 12 plus 4C is equals to 16. So no, don't take this. 4 ja. Okay, simple. So C will be equal to 4 minus 3, 1. That means C can do 1 work in a day. That means C can do 1 work in a day. We got the efficiency of C is 1. Now in how many days will C alone complete 50% of the same work? Total work is 36. 50% of the work will be 18. C can do 1 work in a day. So for doing 18 work, C is going to take 18 days. That's all. Done. Option A will become the correct answer, 18. Very good, yaar. See, many of you are already solving it. I am telling you, right? You guys are good. Only thing you wanted to do is practice, which we are doing. And trust me, you are going to do better. You are going to do better in the examination. Mark my words that sir had told that, that we have done better and we are going to do better. 1000 like. Till then you are not doing 1000 like, I will not go. Till then you are not doing 1000 like, I am not going. So please, can you quickly make it 1000? अरे यार सर के खुशी के लिए कर दो. Okay, come on. Chalo, let's do it. Okay. Okay, now let's see. This question is very good question. Okay, see what they're telling. A can complete a certain work in 30 days. So A can complete a work in 30 days. Okay, now B is 20% more efficient than A. So here I will put A, here I will put B, and here I will put C. Okay, so let me give some space. A, B, and C. Correct? So A can complete a certain work in 30 days. B is 25% more efficient than A. I will assume A is equals to 80, B will become 100. See, whenever you have a question in maths where they are telling, so someone is 25% more. Someone is 25% more. The meaning of 25% more, what you do, you take 180 and you assume 100, because 80, 25% is nothing but 1 by 4, it will be 20. So here B will be 100. Okay, and then C is 20% more efficient. So basically we are now finding the efficiency ratio. So 80 is to 100 is to 120. So it will be 24 ja, 25 ja, and 26 ja. So 4 is to 5 is to 6 is the efficiency ratio of ABC. Now they are telling A works 30 days and complete the work. So what is the work? What is the total work? A can do 4 work in a day and A worked for 30 days. That means 120 was the total work. Now we got the total work is nothing but 120. Now we got the total work, that is nothing but 120. Okay. Now what they're telling, B will complete. Okay. So they all worked together for 3 days. A, I will complete 4 work. B, I will complete 5 work. C, I will complete 6 work in a day. Okay, then come and work for 3 days, no? Okay. So 4 plus 5 plus 6. They worked for 3 days. So 15 into 3 is 45. Then what is the remaining work? So remaining work, 10 minus 5 is 5 and 11 minus 4 is 75. This 75 work who has to complete? B alone will complete the remaining work in how many days? B can complete 5 work in a day. So for completing 75 work, B is going to do 15 days. That's all. Done, done. Okay, that's all. Done, done. Now let me know if it is clear for you or not. Now please let me know if it is clear for you or not. Okay. Done? Okay. 1K likes. Thank you, yaar. Thank you. Thanks for all your support and love. So 1K like. It means a lot for me, and trust me, I'll be again coming live. Tomorrow, whole day there will be live sessions. Okay. Already it's planned. So tomorrow evening. Done. Khana kha lo aur aaram kar lo. Last question and then I will be done. Okay. Now, next, this is a question from pipe and cisterns. Let me explain you. So pipe and cisterns, how it works. So pipe A and B can fill in 5 hours and B in 6 hours respectively. So pipes A and B can fill a tank in 5 and 6 hours respectively, and pipe C can empty the tank in 12 hours. These two are doing positive work, this is doing negative work. There is nothing called positive and negative work, just for your understanding. See, ultimate aim is what? You solve the question, TCS selects you, that's all. Or negative work you said, now your exam is cancelled. Nothing, that will not happen here. So this is for understanding, okay? Because there are some people are there who will take the clip. Pratik sir was telling negative work. So there are some people, okay? So these people are called as Bernoulli people. Okay, now here you see. So what is the LCM? LCM will be 60. That is nothing but our work. You take LCM. If you are not comfortable in taking LCM, you take some other value. There is no problem at all. Sir, this is 12 times, this is 10 times, and this is 5 times. Here we got the efficiency. Efficiency means what? Pipe A can fill 12 liter in 1 hour. Pipe B can fill 10 liter in 1 hour, and pipe C can fill 5 liter in 1 hour. Pipe C can fill 5 liter in 1 hour. Clear? Okay. Now, what they're asking, if all pipes are open together, then the tank will fill. Now, here, this is work, or you can say total capacity. So you have a tank, total 60 liter is the capacity. Okay, and who is going to fill? See, A will fill 12 liter in 1 hour, B will fill 10 liter in 1 hour, but this guy, sir, I am doing negative work, so minus. So 60 divided by 17. So 17 threes are 51 and 9. So this is nothing but 9 by 17 hours, and option C will become the correct answer for this particular problem. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Done? Okay, clear? Fine. Now, so I will tell you, please let me know if it is clear. Everyone, come on, come on. Please let me know if it is clear for everyone. Thoko like yaar. Thoko like and thoko tali. Okay? Now, are bhai, data interpretation. Data interpretation is one of the headache. Okay? That you think, okay, but it is easy. Mensuration, are bhai. Kya? Time, speed and distance. Are sir. Permutation and combination. Are sir, probability. But I will stop in some time after this data interpretation. Okay? The rest of the things, probably, we will make a video. I wish all the best. I'm telling you to everyone. Everyone is going to do wonder. See, I told you multiple times, you guys are good. See, actually what happens, we just need, okay, practice, question to practice. We just need someone to tell you, okay, how to do it. What should be your approach? That is what you wanted to learn. Everyone has unique talents. You all are equally talented. I cannot say somebody is good or somebody is bad. No, we all are equally talented. And with that talent only, we are going to crack TCS. Clear? Chalo. So in this question, what they are telling, so what is the ratio of data interpretation? Sum of defective bulbs in A, B and C. In A, B and C. Okay, in A, B and C. To that in D and D. TCS problem, right? See here, numerical ability, verbal ability, okay? So all these parts has been given. This is a numerical ability question. So what is the ratio of sum of defective bulbs in A, B, C? Now A is what? Sir, 1280 into 2.5%. This is 2.5. So 1280 into 2.5 is nothing but 5 by 2, and percentage is 100. 1010 cancelled, sir. 5 4 ja and 4 32 times. So this is nothing but, sir, 32. Then this is 3% is nothing but, sir, 33. And then this is 5%. So 1320, 10% is nothing but 132. So your 5% will be half of this. So 2 6 ja, 2 6 ja. Sir, it is 66. Okay. So 2 3 5 and 6 11 and 6 12 plus 1 13 131. So ABC, I calculated ABC. There is only one option where 131 is there. Why are you using your mind? Eh? Why are you using your mind? 131 we got. Patak. That's all. Simple. 131 you got. 107 you don't need. 107 you don't need. This PDF we will upload it in. This PDF we will upload it in Telegram channel. Okay. Sakanksha, if you are watching, please upload this PDF in the Telegram group. So we have the Telegram group. The link is in description. Please. Arey 80 and 20. 20 is a difference number. Percentage is 25. Who is this? Rocky. Rocky, why? Percentage 25%. And digit is 20. 80 to 100. The difference is 20. But in terms of percentage, it is what? 25%. Okay, Rocky bhai. So, salam Rocky bhai. Chalo. Okay. The last question of today's class. Guys, let us know how was the class. So based on that, I will be planning the TCS reasoning one short revision video and few things from which it is pending. So what was the total marks obtained by Pradeep in S2, S4 and S6 together? So Pradeep is here, S2 is this data, S2 is this, S4 is this, okay, and S6 is this. That means what they are telling, so 150, 68%, okay, plus, sorry, 64%, plus 350, 68%, and plus S6 250 into 82%. Pratisat, okay, 100 will come down. 100 will come in down. ओके कितने प्रतिशत स्टूडेंट चाहते हैं कि कल मैं रीजनिंग का मां को प्रणाम, रीजनिंग का पूरा रिवीजन क्लासेस लूं? सो कितने प्रतिशत स्टूडेंट चाहते हैं, कमेंट करें. ओके, नाउ सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू सॉल्व. So 1010 cancel, 5 2s are 5 3s are and 2 32 times 96 sir, plus 1010 cancel, 5 2s are 5 7s are and 2 34 times 7 4s are 30, 7 4s are 28 and 23, plus 1010 cancel, 5 2s are 5 5s are and 2 41 are 5 1s are 5 5 4s are. Sir 8 plus 6 is 5 8 13 plus 6 is 19, 4 9 13 and 5 539. अरे ऐसे कैसे? 5 8 13 plus 6 19, 4 9 13, 7 चुका 28, 8 2 23 and here 2 4 ja. Okay. So what has happened? 96 and 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 7 4s are 28 23, correct? And then here 250 into 250 into 72. Okay, I have taken the wrong data. So wrong data I have taken. 250 into 78 by 100. So 0 0 cancel, 5 2s are 5 5s are and 2 39 times. So 200 minus 5 195. 8 5 13 6 19, 10 3 13 and 9 22 and 3 plus 2 is 5, 529. You see here what is written? Advanced aptitude. You see what is written? Advanced aptitude. I will do advanced aptitude also, I will do normal aptitude also. I will make sure that you are going to do well. Thank you, take care, all the very best. You guys have unique talent. You all are going to do better in the examination. Thank you for all your trust, and I can tell you definitely that you are going to crack TCS examination. Have confidence in yourself. Please sleep peacefully before the day of examination. Okay, be cool, write the exam. Think about the options when you are solving. Think about the concept when you are solving. That's all, nothing else has been done. Okay, reasoning and verbal both I will take. Okay, TCS PYQ questions we will take. Okay. So once again, I wanted to ask you, how was the class? Did you enjoy or not? If you enjoyed, then definitely we will be bringing more and more class. Please go have dinner. Okay. And this PDF file will be shared to you in the Telegram. Okay. So this will be shared to you in the Telegram. The link is in description. Okay. So that's all I wanted. Okay, sir, kal puri karwa dena please. Yes, time, speed and distance. Thank you, Arpita De. Okay, see you soon in tomorrow's class. Take care, bye, good night. Love you all. Happy Holi. Okay.